Page 4, stained glass window in a church. I look it over, it's a page long, treble bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. The hands are playing together and we got multiple notes at the same time. I'll take it one hand at a time. Right hand, they want 3 and 5, here and here. That puts the hand here. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2. So I go through to play the whole thing like that. Left hand starts thumb here, so you think here. Now this is where fingering can get tricky. Because okay, this is where we're going to be. This is where we've been in the past. It's nice, comfortable place to be. So that's where we're going to do. And so I start out that way, this way, and then third finger. But because I'm already using third, I'm going to use 4 here, and that means 5th for the G. So I can do all those, that's fine. The problem is in measure 5, I got an F. I got to come down again. I ran out of fingers. So that fingering doesn't work. So I have to adjust the fingering a little bit. I have an extra note in here. So I can't just use a 5-finger position. So what I'm going to do, because that didn't work, I'm going to come down. I didn't use second finger at all. So I'm going to come down and use second finger on the A. So instead of here, I'm here. So it's the second finger, now third, 4th. Now I can use 5 and 3 on measure 5. And then 2 here. So my 2 came back up. So that's what I'm going to do. And then the same thing on measure 10. I got the same pattern, so I'm going to use second finger on that one. That way I got enough fingers for everything. Now at the end, the last 3 measures, you're here, and then here. Now you have to move. Now there's a number of fingerings for this, but let's just keep it simple. So we're going to do 5, 3 for the next to the last measure. You just lift up and move. Then for here, it's 1, 5, 1. So from here to here, you have to look down for that one. Because I'm hoping you can play most of these things without looking at the keyboard. You can feel your way. But here, you got to look down. Now let's put the hands together and see what happens. We're here, starting, well, actually, I'm here. 2, and here. And when we go for measure 1 to 2, I have to get off this note a little early because in measure 2, the right hand needs it. Same thing. So I got to get off a little early. That's okay. 1, 2. You get the idea? So I go through and I put the hands together slowly. And then I'll go back over it maybe a line at a time or so and get rid of the hesitations slowly. And once that's done, I think about the dynamic, the louds and softs, and they don't give any. Oh, that's nice. Well, in that case, you do what you want. You have to stay within the mood of the piece. The speed is soft and sweetly. Well, that's not a speed. That's a mood. Soft and sweetly. Well, then you're going to have to do the dynamics softly and sweetly. Maybe they meant to do. They gave you the dynamics softly and sweetly, and they forgot to give you speed. Or maybe they've combined the dynamics and the speed together, because softly is dynamics and sweetly more like speed. I don't know. Hopefully you get the idea, that you get the picture, that they're trying, this is just a gentle piece. don't have to take it at that speed. You don't have to take it at that loud or soft or whatever. You decide. Remember the natural accents? 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents all the way through. And the phrasing, if you want to put in phrasing, that you can probably follow the words. It looks like about every 2 measures. So here, 1, 2, lift up, lift up, lift up, lift up. Like taking a breath, that's for the phrasing. The left hand I just play it. So it's like in the second measure. I'm going to lift up for the phrasing in the right hand, but I'm going to connect the left. And going to measure 5, I'm going to lift up in the right hand, but I'm going to connect the left. So I'm lifting up in one hand, I'm connecting the other. We have to learn to do different things in the hands at the same time. And this is one of the things. You just take it slow and easy. You're going from the second measure. I'm going to lift up here, but I'm going to connect that. So you practice that. Lift up. I mean, you don't lift way up like I'm doing, but the point is you lift up a little. Let's play this together slowly and check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3,